Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.